Hey guys, want to do a quick video of my Frigidaire upright freezer. It's 21.4 cubic feet, which is huge. Not a lot to show off, other than I'm going to show you that it is, in fact, freezing like it's supposed to. It's an excellent overall shape. Right here in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement in Fahrenheit. So it's 75 on the door there. You see it changes a little bit wherever you shine it. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Got it on full blast here. See, as we move it around, the temperature's going to change. And this freezer, when full of food, can get up to, I should say, down to -20. So there you go. You can see it's -10, -15. Just kind of depends on where this little guy shines here. And the longer I stand here with the door open, it's going to heat up. But nice and clean on the inside. No damage to any of the shelves. I mean, really in like new condition. And you can hear it once the door's closed. You can hear it seal up. The seal on the door is perfect. And that keeps it airtight. And that's pretty much it. So I'll go ahead and get this listed up. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for taking a sec to watch my video. Have a great day.